Welcome to CoinCu Bytesize. Let's go through top 15 coins. 1. BTC, the first and original gold standard. 2. Ethereum smart contract application, the wonder child crypto. 3. USDT, a centralized stablecoin by Bitfinex, one-to-one pegged to the USD. 4. Binance coin associated with the Binance exchange, number 1 CEX. 5. USDC, another centralized stablecoin like USDT managed by the consortium standard. 6. Ripple, centralized coin, SEC went after it but it wasn't going down easily. 7. Solana, another blockchain aimed at crypto scalability, interoperability, and sustainability. 8. Cardano, the so-called Ethereum killer, major player in the crypto space. 9. Luna, a global payment network dream, a decentralized stablecoin with an elastic money supply and stable mining. 10. Avalanche, open source platform, global assets exchange, decentralized with smart contracts, lightweight with high throughput and scalable. 11. Polkadot, open source protocol aimed at connecting all different blockchains, foundation for Web 3.0. 12. Doge, a meme coin, Elon Musk's favorite, no utility included. 13. BUSD, stablecoin by Binance, thanks CZ. 14. Terra USD, stablecoin from Terra. 15. Shiba, a meme coin with steroids, serious development though. Did I get it right? Let me know in the comment.